Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your Earbuds EARFUN Air 2 on your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. Now at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And I have stock Android, so right here, near to the name, I have this pencil icon. On some devices, this icon located at the right top. And also some Android phones have a line with the name. So, I'm going to click at this icon. You maybe need to click at the line with the name. And right here we have it. So, I'm going to remove this part and add this text. The most important is to click Rename to save this new name. On your phone it may be OK or Done or checkmark or something else. Tap at that button and as you can see we just change it, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!